Today at Boka Onima, our Clean Coast Bonaire citizen science survey was, we found probably an average amount of trash here, and on average at this site we find about 1,500 to 1,700 pieces of marine litter. All of it's just washing out of the ocean, not being left behind by people from here. The most common item that we find here at Boka Onima are small, unidentifiable pieces of expanded polystyrene. And expanded polystyrene is also known as styrofoam. So things that are from packaging, from your Amazon packages, or also from food containers, from takeaway food containers. And once they've been in the ocean for a while, they start to break up into little pieces. So that's the number one thing that we find here. The area that we survey here is only 50 meters long. So most of what we find here is coming out of the ocean, so coming out of the plastic soup. But we do also find marine litter here, or find litter here from people enjoying a picnic. Sometimes we'll find beer bottles or cigarette butts, but most of it is just coming out of the ocean. And we like to catch it before it starts blowing more into nature. So as we're cleaning, we're filling in a survey form, and we count absolutely everything that we find, and we catalog it. So is it plastic? Is it glass? Is it wood? What is it used for? So is it a bag or a bottle or straws, eating and drinking things? We also count things that are ropes and strings and fishing nets, things that come from the fisheries industry. So by collecting this data, we're actually able to help support policies that can help to reduce marine litter. The methodology that we use is one that was developed in the ASPAR region, which is the European Northeast Atlantic. So the reason why we use the ASPAR methodology is because it's the same one that they use in the Netherlands on 4 sites. So now we have 5 years of data, and I have submitted the data to the Rijkswaterstaat so that they can see what a large problem we have here with marine litter washing ashore. What we've seen is that we have an upward trend, and we have significantly more plastic washing ashore coastally in the Caribbean than they do in the European Netherlands. The next one is going to be at Piedra Preto, which is also on the East Coast. So on the second Sunday of every month, we have a Clean Coast Bonaire survey. You can go to our Facebook page or our website, cleancoastbonaire.org, to find out more about what we're finding and when we have our next cleanup. We are always happy to have volunteers come, and I give people a little training about how to use the form, or even if you just want to help us collect the trash, you are more than welcome.